Pascal's principle. Pascal's principle states that pressure applied in a confined liquid is transmitted uniformly in all directions throughout the liquid. Let us learn this through an experiment. Take a tube fitted with a piston. Attach a rubber balloon at the bottom of the tube fitted with a piston. Fill the tube with water. Pierce some holes in the balloon. Push the piston downwards so that the pressure is exerted on water in the tube. You will observe that water comes out with the same force in all the directions from all the holes. We get down to the conclusion that if the liquid is trapped in a container and pressure is applied according to the Pascal's principle, this pressure will be transmitted equally in all the directions and the water moves out from the holes of the balloon with the same force.